Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the swirling vortex of iPhone 17 rumors. What will next year's iPhones really look like? It seems like every day there's a new leak, a new render, and a whole lot of conflicting information. Remember that report about a completely redesigned camera arrangement? No Mobi horizontal bar, or even a single line of lenses. Well, that's been thrown into question by new information from a different, equally reputable source. So, what's the deal? One report suggested a half aluminum, half glass back with a radical camera redesign, almost resembling a Samsung Galaxy. While a material change is plausible, the render just didn't feel like Apple. It lacked that signature Apple, wow, factor. Then there was the rumor of a horizontal camera bar, similar to the Google Pixel. But would Apple really go that route? Thankfully, a new leak from Instant Digital, a leaker with a solid track record, offers a different perspective. They claim the back will change, but the three cameras will remain in a triangular arrangement. This makes a lot of sense for a few reasons. First, it maintains the current capability for spatial video recording, a feature Apple is heavily invested in. Changing to a horizontal or vertical line of lenses could jeopardize that. Plus, the triangular setup has optical advantages for seamless lens switching. So, while the exact details of the back design remain a mystery, the possibility of a pixel-like or drastically different camera layout seems to be fading. So, if not the camera layout, what will change? One possibility is an aluminum camera area on a glass back. This could improve durability while still allowing for wireless charging. The world of iPhone rumors is always a rollercoaster. It's important to remember that these are just rumors until Apple officially announces the new devices. But by analyzing the different leaks and considering the logic behind them, we can get a better idea of what to expect. What do you think about these rumors? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, techies, stay curious, stay informed, subscribe my channel. Bye for now.